Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see about how to recover permanently deleted files for free on Windows. Go to Google, type recover, download free cleaner. Download free version. Free version, download it. Download. Show in file. Okay. Yes. Customize option. If everything is enabled, see that. Next, install. Run recover. That's add. Okay, click next. And you want all files or pictures or only music or document videos? I will recommend that all file. You must go ahead. If you want to recover from recycle bin only means click on this. But I am not sure it's everything everywhere on Windows computer. And next, enable deep scan. That's not needable. Start. This make little bit of time. Now here we go. Your deleted file switch to advanced mode. Go ahead. Then you need any file. Click on tick button. Click this and recover. Recover desktop. Okay. Yes. Okay. That's it, guys. This is the easy way to recover any files from our deleted recycle bin.